Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by picking the Google font you want and ensuring Vscode is ready. Open your project folder and create a fonts or assets directory if you plan to host files locally. Once done, grab the exact font family name and weights you need. Make a decision now. Host fonts locally for offline speed or import via CSS for simplicity. You'll need either font files downloaded or the CSS import snippet to continue, so prepare one of those before moving on. Now you apply the font. If you downloaded files, add at font face rules in a global CSS. Declare font family, src with relative paths, font weight, and font style. Alternatively, paste the Google provided at import or link element into your main style sheet or HTML head. Make sure it loads before your app CSS. Once the font is available, update selectors to use font family and explicit weights. Make sure to save files and let Vscode's live server or reload pick up the change. Finish by verifying the font renders in the browser. You should reload the page and clear cache, then inspect computed styles to confirm the font family and weight match what you declared. If it doesn't appear, make sure file paths are correct, MIME types are accepted by your server, and content security policy isn't blocking external loads. As a quick debug step, create a minimal HTML file that references the same font. If that works, narrow the issue to your project's build or CSS specificity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.